The most advanced automotive features were previously exclusively found on pricey luxury vehicles. It's not always the case like that now. They eventually descended to common models. Now it is possible to get medium-ranged cars loaded with technology. Since long cars are being brought to market with various technologies and day by day it's getting more advanced. It's a fact that now one doesn't need to worry to buy a car having technology because the mid-range car includes features like better crash avoidance and driver assistance features, advanced connectivity systems and infotainment options for everyone in the car. Today, almost all new cars sold come equipped with once advanced features like rearview cameras, autonomous emergency braking, and smartphone connection. There are some features of cars which are really common and important for being safe. A new buyer should keep in mind to check the new features and also have proper knowledge about the features before buying a car. As you already realized in this video, we will discuss the top 5 new car safety features. Don't skip any seconds to know about some amazing car safety features. So, let's jump to the video. Airbags. Airbags. It sounds like a bag which is full of air. Yes, it is how it sounds. An airbag is one of the important features of a car for being safe. Even though the majority of cars already have a driver's side airbag, you should still check for additional airbags to better protect you in the event of an accident. Airbags for the driver and passengers will normally inflate in the event of a front-end collision. However, some vehicles have a number of supplementary airbags. You can be protected by the additional airbags in a wide range of conditions or accident types. Side curtain airbags, knee airbags, and inflated seat belts are some of the extra airbags. Anti-lock brakes. The primary goal of ABS, anti-braking system, is to avoid skidding, which occurs when locked wheels from heavy braking cause a loss of steering and control. Many modern cars are now equipped with these technologies. This is not meant to shorten stopping distances. Rather, it is intended to allow more steering in emergency situations. As the name suggests, ABS prevents the wheels from locking when you apply the brakes. It lets you control or steer the vehicle while the brakes remain applied, and also reduces the braking distance. The main components of the ABS are speed sensors, valves, pump, and ECU. Safety belt. The best protection against aggressive, intoxicated, and inattentive drivers is a seat belt. Being fully ejected from a vehicle is almost always fatal. Wearing your seatbelt during a collision helps keep you safe and secure within. When a frontal collision occurs, seatbelt pretensioners immediately retract the belts to pick up the slack. Additionally, it aids in positioning passengers so they can benefit fully from an airbag deployment. Pretensioners and force limiters work together to control the force that the shoulder belt exerts on the occupant's chest. Force limiters allow the belt to play back slightly after the pretensioners have tightened it to lessen the force. Traction Control System, TCS. Traction Control System is a new car feature. When one of the car's wheels loses traction, the traction control system notices it. The technology automatically applies the brakes to each affected wheel or reduces the vehicle's engine power to each wheel that is losing traction on the road. Drivers should be sure to reduce their speed and take turns more slowly when driving in slippery conditions. Pre-collision system. During daytime or nighttime driving, the pre-accident assist feature employs camera technology to identify a potential collision with a vehicle or pedestrian right in front of yours. This technology uses radar to identify potential collisions and slow down the car in order to prevent or mitigate the effects of a collision. This technology will not only warn the driver to apply the brakes, but it will also provide braking power once the brakes are used. These were some amazing new car features for being safe. Hope you got to learn some facts. Again, keep in mind that no matter how many safety features your car has, you can still be involved in a crash. Stay tuned with us for such more interesting video. If you like the video, share it with your car lover friends.